Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. So my other video kind of fell through. I was going to be doing a tail light thing and I messed it up, so that'll be video will hopefully be coming next week. So today I decided to do this on a whim. I tried to just buy some cheap products and I'm going to see if I can detail my car pretty nicely because it's pretty dirty. So I'm just going to go over what I'm going to be using. All the links will be down below for everything that you guys are going to need. And everything that I mentioned in this video. You don't have to use all this. You can use cheaper stuff. You can save money and not buy all this stuff, but I'll put links down below for everything or similar things, and you can go ahead and grab those. So first thing is just some detail brushes. I think I got these on Amazon for super cheap. Like I said, I'll put the links for everything down below. This one's got like a little vent thing, and I'll show them later on, but yeah, just a little detail brush kit, super cheap one. You don't need anything crazy if you're just gonna be doing it at home. Next thing I grabbed was pack of 30 microfiber cloths because these can be used for pretty much everything, and I love having microfibers around. Over here to wash the wheels because I have the painted black wheels now. I want to make sure they're good, so I got this nice little brush here with a microfiber thing so I don't scratch them. I also got Turtle Wax Wax and Dry. Hopefully you guys can see it. Turtle Wax Wax and Dry. So this is going to be nice for after we clean them. So I also got this Chemical Guys interior cleaner. Hopefully you guys can see that. So this is just an all-purpose. You can use it on dash, glass, navigation, and more. So hopefully we'll be able to just work with this and put it on everything. On top of that, I already had this. This is Meguiar's Gold Class. This is just some super basic liquid gel car wash stuff, soap. I also have a giant drying microfiber, which I use often, but now I have all these other ones as well. I have a sponge, which is just a sponge with microfiber. I'll just use the microfiber side. So previously I had this brush here, but this is a little bit rough. I don't want to scratch up my wheels, so I'm going to go ahead and use that new one that I just got. On top of that, we also got a couple of buckets, one for wash and one for rinse. And then we also have this, which is just another thing of Chemical Guys. This is Diablo wheel cleaner for all wheel types. I'm not sure how this is going to work. I've never used it. Same with a lot of these products, but I went ahead and grabbed them to try them out. Like I said, you can pick up all these down below. You can also pick them up at a local store if you want to just check them out and check out the reviews on them. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get into it and see if we can get it pretty clean. I'll show you before and I'll show you an after, and we'll see if I can do a decent job for my first time. Excuse the construction noise in the background, but as you can see, it's absolutely disgusting. Like, look at the wheels. We're going to go ahead and look at the down the side here. Just dirty. You can go inside the sill. It's dirty, so we got lots of clean here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these buckets going and get this rinsed down, and then we'll go from there.
JP Productions.
One thing that's really messing me up is down the sides here, and you can kind of probably see it. I think I showed it earlier. There's like asphalt spray almost from like the new roads. Like they're redoing the road right in front of my house right now. That's why it's so loud. And it just all down the side caked on, so that's fun. Alright, so I didn't film everything, but I did just clean it off pretty quick, and then I did the shine and dry by the Turtle Wax, the wax and dry stuff, and just did it panel by panel. So far, I mean, it looks pretty shiny. I don't really know if it's exactly how it's supposed to be or not. I've never really done it, like I said. And then I just dried the windows and whatnot so they don't get streaky. Overall, I just did it pretty quick just to get it mostly clean. Just kind of trying to grasp an idea of what I need to do and what I need to use. I'm not quite there yet, but I guess we'll see how it actually turns out when it's completely done. I'm gonna go ahead and give this Chemical Guys stuff a review now. Let's see, let's go give this a try. This was a spray it on dirty surfaces, wipe up the dirty crap, and basically just spray it on and then wipe it off. So Yes, that's what we'll do. Spray. Now I'm not going super detail crazy with the brush and stuff today. I'm just going for a pretty quick, like simple, pretty neat clean. So checking out different products and giving you guys a quick review for this video. Alright, so now that it's done, I kind of showed a little bit of it, hopefully. We'll see what happens in the edit of this video, but I'm just going to go through the products one by one now and just kind of tell you guys what I thought of them, since a lot of them I was using for the first time. These cheap rags, just a quick 30 pack, were perfect. They're definitely cheap. If you want nice rags, go ahead and grab the more expensive ones that I'll link down below. But if you just want some cheap ones for basic things like this that you can use for multi-use, go ahead and grab them, they're definitely fine. Now the Gold Class, Meguiar's car wash stuff. I've used this a bunch of times before. I love it. It works good every time, no issues. So I definitely recommend that. As far as the little microfiber brush, I took it off. You can take it off so you can wash it. I definitely recommend one of these for the wheels if you're doing anything with the kind of wheels like I have. These brushes are going to be huge. I didn't really use them too much today. I did show them in a few sections where I used them a little bit, but for the most part I didn't use them today. But in most situations I'll use these like crazy, and huge if you want to get rid of that dust inside your car. Now, probably my favorite thing that I got today is this Wax and Dry by Turtle Wax. I don't know if you can see with the light. I don't know if you can even see through the bottle at all, but I'd say I probably used about that much on it. I don't know if I used too much. It is a pretty big car. If I hold it up to the light I can see. I don't know, I used probably about a quarter of it. I love this. It actually came out super shiny and super nice and clean. And you just spray it on wet and clean it off and kind of wax it in a little bit, and it came out fantastic. Now next we got this, the interior cleaner. As you can see, I barely touched it. I just spritzed it around and just did a little bit. I didn't really detail the inside too much today, but overall this Total Interior stuff is great. If you do want that shine, it's not going to give you that. You're not going to get that like bright, shiny, sleek feeling that some people like. I personally don't like that anyway, so this kind of just cleans it all, gets rid of the dust, and kind of helps with that. So definitely thumbs up on that. And now the Diablo Wheel Cleaner by Chemical Guys. Now this is one product that I recommend as far as cleaning goes, but I will not recommend as far as the smell goes. So if you guys know that like bubble gum smell from like medicine, like kids medicine and just like normal medicine that has a bubble gum flavor, it has that exact smell. You like almost taste it from the smell. So it has that. I mean, it's bubblegummy, but it just has that little chemically smell to it. I don't know. It's just, the smell is a little raw, and as you can see, I used a lot of it, and I definitely probably could have used more, and I already used like half a bottle. This was like 12 bucks or something where I bought it, but you should be able to get it cheaper on Amazon. Like I said, link will be below for everything that you guys will need in this video. But yeah, overall with this stuff, it was pretty good. There's definitely better stuff, there's definitely worse stuff, so this stuff would definitely get you by. I think I spent probably about 50 bucks total here, so this video is probably called like how to detail your car for $50 or something like that. So that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. If you did enjoy the video or you got any information, make sure you click that like button, just smash it for me down below, and of course comment any questions that you have. Of course, subscribe to stay updated for future content. We're trying to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark hopefully by the end of the year, 3 videos a week, so make sure you're clicking that subscribe button for the future content. And of course, ring that bell so you guys can be notified. I know a lot of you guys have that bell rang on the channel, so make sure you ring that bell so you get notified every time I upload. But that's about it for this video, guys. Peace.